This is Jambi's Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to cross post from your Instagram business account to your Facebook page. Now, how to do this? First, of course, your Instagram business account and your Facebook page have to be linked to each other. Then once they're linked, you can go to your Instagram business account. At the very top right corner, press on the menu bar. Then navigate to settings and privacy, the very first thing. Then scroll down to business tools for professionals, business tools and controls, and tap on that. Then at the very bottom down here, you'll see cross posting. Click on that and you'll see at the top it's showing my Facebook page is linked for Jambi's Tutorials and automatically share. So you can automatically share your stories and posts that you post on Instagram directly to your Facebook page without having to post on both platforms, and you can do this from your Instagram app. So to be able to do this, just turn these two on for both stories and posts, or either whichever one you prefer, and then go back and post. So I'll just do a post to show you guys how that would be like. So I've finished creating my post. I've put in the image, the caption, and everything is good to go. I'll go ahead and click share. So my post is up on Instagram, as you can see. My post is up on Instagram, there we go. And let me just go to the Facebook page and show you the same thing there. So here's my Facebook page, and there it is. It has posted, and you can see it's just posted just now. It has posted from Instagram to the Facebook page, from my Instagram business account to my Facebook page. And that's an easy way for you to be able to cross post between Facebook and Instagram using your phone on your Instagram app. Remember, you can also do this from Facebook to Instagram using Meta Business, and I have shown you how to do that already on one of my YouTube videos, so check that out. If you enjoyed this video, if it was informative, please go ahead and double tap, hit that like button, comment below if there's anything you'd like to see on any tips, tricks, and tutorials for social media on any of the platforms. And if you haven't, please follow for more. I post daily tips, tricks, and tutorials on social media for all social media platforms. Follow and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow on TikTok. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.